Alright, so here's my HP ProBook. It's my main source of everything I do. So originally when I talked about things that I shouldn't talk about, and now I'm debating if I even should upload this video because it's kind of fucking stupid and kind of illegal at the same time. But regardless, when I had mentioned that I was in the camper full time and I had a TV hooked up to my laptop, it wasn't just for YouTube. It was for other things, and I'll explain that here in a second, which is probably going to get me in a shit ton of trouble, but you have to program it right if you want to get it to work the way you want it to. So I did a lot of shit in the camper video-wise and editing, but there was a reason why I didn't pay for anything, for like TV services or anything, because I had connections to Wi-Fi for the actual service that my family has, and it was on the same property, so why not, right? So that's the thing I'm talking about. So I'll explain it to you really fast here. So it's kind of crazy, and I know I'm gonna get fucked over this video. I should have never done it, but there's this app. There's this thing called Kodi, and Kodi is a standalone video server that can produce anything from anything to anything, from anything legal or illegal. I don't condone using it. I just did it just to try it out for a trial. So that's the story, and I'm sticking to it. But yeah, Kodi is fucking Kodi. Not gonna explain it as much in detail because I'm not responsible for any of this at all. But the reason why I always had my laptop hooked up to my TV is so I can watch videos and stuff and things I make and things I do. So I'll give you a quick example of Kodi with Exodus. So Exodus is a add-on that you have to program it into the actual system to get it to work. And if you've never used it, you wouldn't know what it's like. I'm not going to explain how you use it, how you install it, nothing. I'm just going to show you what it is. So, onto the laptop. So Kodi is an app. Kodi is right here, being Kodi. So let's check it out. So we open up Kodi, and it shows up as Exodus. So we go down to videos and go down to Exodus. That's all I'm going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you how you do this because it's a lot of steps for a lot of people to figure it out themselves, I guess. I don't fucking know. But anyway. So we can go to Kodi and we can go to movies, TV shows, my movies, my TV shows, new movies, new episodes, channels, tools, search, etc. So we can go to movies, right? And we can go to genre, year, people, language, certificates, people watching, most popular, most voted, box office, Oscar winning, and in theaters. Yeah, so we got in theaters. So we got in theaters. It says working on the bottom. And look what we got. Doctor Strange, Arrival, Hacksaw, Trolls. And this stuff is all free. Because it's all probably pirated. Don't Breathe, which is the movie I'm still trying to figure out still. So, and then also we can go back again and go to search. And I'm telling you what, this program's cool. So we can go to TV shows and we can just search South Park. South Park. Search it. It says working. South Park shows up right there. We can go on episode season 20. Enter it in. Every single episode is there from season 7, which is fucking crazy, right? So then you think of more on-demand things, like, yeah, you can get South Park online, right? So we go back to Exodus. We go down to TV shows again, and we can search it. TV shows. We can type in Shameless, which is a on-demand Showtime thing, right? So we type that in, searching, working. Shameless US. Every season is on there. Boom. Everything. Every episode. Don't have to pay for nothing. Even though we already are subscribed to that stuff, right? Crazy as fuck. Crazy. I just can't believe that this is real. And this takes Literally, in order to get this program working, you have to do a lot of shit to find the right servers to get it. And then, for instance, like when we go to movies, then we go to in theaters. And the thing about it is, like Sausage Party, for instance, or whatever you want. So we'll pick Sausage Party. And this is all streamed, so it does a little loading thingy. It's loading. Loading right now, right? Not only does it load it, it loads everybody who has it right now. So you can search any single one, 1080p. All these are HD. You can pick any one you want. Hit enter. It'll load. And then it'll play. It'll load for a second. It always does. And if one doesn't work, you can always pick another. There's a million of them. They always do. That's works so. That one over, we can just go back to the top one and pick another one. Streaming authorization. Let's pick this one real quick. It's crazy. It's just ridiculous that this is just ridiculous that it works this way. You can pick anything you want from anywhere. For instance, in theaters as well, we can do The Accountant. It's gonna load real quick. I'll give you your selection. Once it's figuring out where the servers are, which they always change, which is weird, but I mean that's how they do their illegal operations. Like I said, I'm not gonna condone this or allow anybody to do it. I'm not gonna show you how you do it. But basically, in any other circumstance, this is pretty crazy. It's working now, so let's see if we can get the accountant to work, which it will with time. This is loading, which is fine. Which is fine. It does that. It loads. It's loading it up. I just don't know. Let me just exit it and reopen Kodi real quick because it's been a second here. Let's turn the Wi-Fi off for a second. Turn the Wi-Fi back on. Bluetooth it's on too, isn't it? Yep. There it is. Connected. Alright, now we'll open Kodi again and try it. Let's go back to videos, go to Exodus. Movies. In theaters. Then we'll go down to anything. Hands of Stone. Let's try that one out real quick, see what we get out of that one. See if it'll start playing. I know it will. I mean, everything works every night. I watch this stuff. It works out great. But it's illegal, and I'm not going to explain how it goes, so check it out real quick, see if it works. There we go. Well, you know. Let's get forward a little bit. See, it's got the whole little thing on the side, and then we'll just skip it.
He's in a jail and he thinks he's in charge. We in jail? No, he's in jail. He's in jail. They put jail. Oh no, here. It's all in the head.
See, it's crazy.
It's a mental sport. What you do with your body?
Yeah, that's Kodi, and that's all I can really say about it. It's just how I streamed all my stuff at one point in time. Used all my videos in that app, so yeah, it's legal. No, I'm not gonna tell you how it works. Not gonna program it for you. I'm not gonna tell you where I got it from or how I got it, but it does everything in the world you can possibly imagine, from TV shows to movies and theaters. You have to download nothing. It just live streams, so that's kind of the update.